This is going to be your new favorite travel planner in Notion. It's aesthetic and packed with everything you need to easily plan your trip. You can organize not just one, but multiple trips in one beautifully designed template. Let's take a tour and I'll show you how to plan your dream trip stress-free. Let's start with my trips section. This is where you decide on your destination, what country you want to visit, which cities, and when you're planning to go. This is a pre-designed planner. We have listed the most visited countries in the world, organized by continent. To start planning, go to the destination view, choose the country you're traveling to, and update its status to either wishlist, planning, ongoing, or complete. Its country also includes sub-items for cities. Click the toggle icon next to the country name to refill the list. Then update the status for its city you plan to visit. This is really useful when your trip includes multiple cities or even if you're just visiting one because it helps filter and organize your plans better in the next section. If the city you want to visit isn't on the list, just click new sub-item, type in the city name, and update its status. You can leave the other details blank if you prefer, but don't skip the status. In the current view, you'll find trips with statuses set to planning or ongoing. For all your travel dreams, select the wishlist view. You can add activity ideas or update a trip status from wishlist to planning once it's actually happening. You can also plan the time frame of your trip, set the start and end dates for both countries and the cities. This database is linked to your budget, transportation, itinerary, and more, so you can manage everything in one place or visit its a section. This section is where you manage your travel budget and track expenses. To get started, click the plus new budget travel button, select the country you're budgeting for, and set your total budget. If you select to all budget view, data is organized by country. You can use the toggle icon to collapse or expand its section. It's super helpful if you want to compare budgets between different countries at a glance. Now let's look at the expense tracker below. Click new page, then fill in your expense details. Choose a category, select the country and city, and don't forget to assign the date. This helps keep everything clean and searchable. I've also built this with a multi-currency feature so you can easily track local spending when traveling between countries with different currencies. In the local price column, enter the amount in the local currency. This is a text property, so you can add any currency symbol or notes here. Then enter the exchange rate for that day. The converted price column will calculate the amount in your main currency based on the rate you entered. If the expense is already in your main currency, you can just skip the exchange rate. It will still calculate correctly. Keeping track of your travel expenses like this helps you stay in control of your spending. You can see where you're overspending and plan better for your next trip. It also gives you a full picture of how much each country or city actually costs. Great info for future travel planning. Once your budget is set, it's time to start searching and booking your transportation, whether it's flight, train, buses, car rentals, or any local transport you want to manage. Click new page, then fill in the transportation details. Select the type of transportation, the country, and the city. You can also manage the status, whether it's just a plan, something you're considering, or already booked. I also add additional properties so you can include important booking details so nothing gets missed. Next up is the accommodation section. With so many options available, choosing where to stay can get overwhelming. That's why having a clean, organized system in Notion makes the decision process easier. You can compare options and choose the best one for your lifestyle and budget. For the number property with currency, if you want to display prices in your own currency, just click the property, select edit property, and then change the number format to your preferred currency. All set, let's move on to the fun part of travel planning. This section is where the art of travel planning comes in. You can map out all the places you want to visit and experiences you want to have day by day. Start by clicking new page to add an activity, select the type of activity, the country, and the city. Or if you already have a list of things you want to do, you can select all the pages and page assign the country, city, date, and day. You can also mark whether its activity requires a booking or not. If you click into a page, I've added a pre-made template for you to plan the details, like how to get there, what time to go, or even add a photo inspiration from Instagram or Pinterest. Having a well-planned and organized itinerary makes your trip so much more enjoyable. Even if you're traveling solo or going on a self-care travel date, you can check off its activity once you've done it. It's so satisfying to use. And when things don't go as planned, because that does happen, you can easily reschedule by tracking and dropping the activity to a new day. This is going to change how you travel. Another useful feature in this travel planner is the packing list. It's already pre-filled and neatly organized, so you can simply check items off as you pack. If something you need isn't on the list, you can absolutely add your own items. And when you're starting a new trip, just click the clear all button to reset all the check marks. Next, let's check out my favorite section in this travel planner. All of the memories and experiences from our trip are priceless, and this is where you can document those beautiful moments. Click new page to start journaling. Don't forget to select the country, city, and date of the entry. Each journal entry includes a pre-designed template, which may take a moment to load. You can write about the highlights of your journey, like places you visited, food you tried, or anything you want to remember from your trip. There's already an image blog set up, so you can embed your favorite photos too. This planner isn't just about logistics and planning. I also added a little fun to make your journey even more exciting. You'll find a section with travel games that you can play while you're in transit, whether you're on board your next adventure or waiting at the airport. Make long journeys more fun with word scrambles, puzzles, and other mini games to pass at a time. And look at this cute, organized homepage. Everything is laid out in one place, and you can see all your current trips, bookings, and itinerary in one aesthetic, easy-to-use dashboard. You can make edits directly from this page without needing to click into its section. And there's more. I've included a travel checklist to help you prepare for your adventure before, during, and even after your trip. It's a small thing, but it really helps you stay organized and stress-free throughout your journey. To add even more functionality, there's also a travel summary section where you can check your trip plans at a glance, see updates from your current trip, budget overview, and journal entries, all in one cute little real-time summary. I love how it ties everything together. I hope this template helps you plan your dream trip and makes the whole process a lot more fun and stress-free. If you have any questions about the template or how to use it, drop them in the comments. I'd be happy to help. You can find the link to the template in the description below.